I have been a busy boy. Not long ago, I decided that I wanted to start another business, and I wasn't entirely sure what exactly that might be. Until it was that my fiance lovingly bought me some blue light filtering glasses. Now, the reason she did that is because I've been staring at screens all day. I'm always staring at my phone, I'm always editing, I'm always playing games, and all that screen time was making me quite uncomfortable. I was struggling to sleep, I was getting headaches, my eyes were like drying up. It was absolutely horrible. Anyway, she'd heard about these blue light glasses and she thought they might be able to help. So she ordered them off Amazon and waited for them to arrive. When they arrived, they were the most flimsy, shittest, most fragile, could snap with your fingers type of shit that I've ever seen. But despite them being so cheap and really shit quality, the science behind it actually worked and fixed my problems. I was absolutely shocked. No more insomnia. I could actually sleep. No more headaches. I could actually focus for as long as I wanted to focus. So I was like, why don't more people know about this? And then I had an idea. Why don't I see if I could make these and sell them for the same price that these flimsy shitty ones are, but make them actually really good quality so the lenses aren't constantly falling out every 5 minutes. They're not fucking ugly and shiny plastic. They don't just snap. Like, if you accidentally stand on them, they're not gonna break. So I did a bit of research into it and I did it. I did it. I did it. It took quite a long time, but I'm actually so fucking happy with this. These are the ones I've had from like the beginning, my little test samplers. So they're a bit dusty because I've had them for a long time. But I tell you something, they are rigid. They're like about as rigid as my Ray-Ban sunglasses are. So why am I telling you this? Am I hoping you'll buy them? Yes, but that's not why we're here. To get this business off the ground, I needed to do some marketing. And what is marketing without advertisement? And this quickly brought me to the conclusion that I need a solid advert. So, I called up my mate Brian and asked him to help me make one. Safe to say, I think it went pretty well. But you know what? I'm gonna leave that for you to judge. So without further ado, here it is. Over to you, Brad. Thanks, Brad. You're beautiful, by the way. It occurs to me that people are staring at their screens all day without protection like absolute nutcases. You wouldn't commit penetration without protection. Chlamydia, chlamydia, chlamydia. You wouldn't crash a car into a bunch of children. No. Then why wouldn't you protect your eyes from screens? Did you know that blue light penetrates your eyeballs without consent? Penetration. Too much blue light exposure could cause eye strain, headaches, and even make it difficult to sleep at night. Blooper's non-prescription multi-gender glasses could be your answer. With free UK shipping and a temporarily reduced price, you cannot go wrong. Available worldwide. Get yours today, while stocks last. So yeah, that's my solution. And if that doesn't make you buy them, I don't know what the fuck will. No, for real, I'm not even joking now. These actually work a treat. So if you are experiencing some kind of headaches, insomnia, where you can't sleep at night, or you're taking hours to get to sleep, maybe your eyes are hurting after you've been gaming for a long while. I know a lot of you are gamers. I'm a gamer, so gamer to gamer, they work. You don't have to buy these from me. You can look up blue light glasses anywhere. But I have specifically tried to make these as affordable as possible and the best quality possible. Like, these aren't gonna break easy. And right now they're at a temporarily reduced price. So if you wanna grab some, I'll probably do it sooner rather than later. But if you don't, just ignore my fucking sales pitch and tell me I'm a cunt in the comments. Anyway, until next time, next video I'm working on, I'm still not sure if I can do it. It might be illegal, so we'll have to find out. Bloopers.co.uk. Yeah! What was the line?
Go! Go.